Hi guys, so I received this Messi sports bracelet for review purposes. I'm gonna take it out of this box which it comes in. And it's this like drill cap, okay? So you can see here we've got Messi. Okay, I'm gonna take everything out of the little box first. Okay, we've got this like rubber bands which are nice, as you can see. Has Messi's names and its logo, its number, and his signature, which I think it's really nice. We got also this metal one, also with his name, his number, his signature. It closes this band like this. Okay. Also got this other one, like purple. I think it's really nice. There it is. This one, like shoelace one, it's really nice. Just with me. We also have this tag. Okay, and it's color, so you just run it through like this. Okay, there it is. And we've got a ring also. Okay, here it is. On the place. Okay, this one will go onto this. Okay. Okay, there it is. That's all it comes. I think it's a really complete set. I like a lot everything. They are really, really nice. Perfect for a Messi fan. And well, you've got different styles of bands depending of the situation you want to use them. You have many to choose from. Okay, you can mix and match them, and I think they're really, really nice. They have a excellent quality, which is really, really nice. I like the color and the ring. I think it's a nice addition. So let's see, it has Messi's name on it. Okay, it's great for a gift for someone who likes a lot Messi. Okay, so I will recommend it. See ya.